Boarding. I'm just coasting, so catch up. Where are you? Catch up. I'm on 5, but it's harder to get up this hill. Yep. All right, and then you're going to coast down here. Where you at? Get up here. Get up here. That's fine, but catch up with me. And then just watch out for the people on the trail. Going to the right. To the right. Come on. All right, get ready to downshift. Downshift. Down. Down. Down to whatever feels easier for you to go up the hill with, babe. You don't have to go down to 1. Right. And then if it's still hard, then shift again. Hang on. Left. Fishing pond. Oh. Wrong way. All right. We'll come out here all the time. Bump! Get your ass off your seat! Come on, get up here so I can video you. Well, quit playing and get up here. Look at the little kid's bike. Where are you? Get up here. Look at the road and look at the holes and the bumps. Get up here. Get ahead of me. And watch out for horses. It's a horse crossing. Downshift. Right, but you're okay. That's fine. When I say upshift and downshift, it's just your right hand. Now again, coast down here. Coast, don't ride your brake. All you're going to do is wear out your brakes prematurely. Let it take you... I know, but let it take you down here. Hit your brakes ever so often. Don't drag them. It's like pumping your brakes. You don't want to drag them. You don't want to keep them on. Then as you get uphill, now you're pedaling. Now downshift. That way you're not going to wear yourself out. Down. Right. Thumb. And then upshift. There you go. Because you're hardly going down. Wait till you get up here. See, and when you slow down, just paddle. You should be able to coast down and coast almost all the way up that hill. Coast. It looks like a rough road up here. So just keep an eye on it. Look for the holes. See, he's riding his bike down on the dirt trail. Now downshift. Because you got a steep hill. Downshift again. Downshift again. You should be down to 2 or 1. Okay? Right. There you go. And then if that's too hard, then you go to 1 on your other one. Now I'm up to 2 on my left hand. Now I'm upshifting to 2. But not any further because you're going up a hill. There you go. Right. Now drop it down to 1. Drop your left hand down to 1. Pull it. See? That's your easiest. Right. When you hit the top, go to 2 and 1. 2 on your left, 1 on your right. Do it. Not your thumb. Pull the trigger. No, not on your left hand. Are you on 2 on your left hand? Pull it. Pull. Left hand pull. You're not pedaling. You have to pull the trigger and pedal. Then push your thumb. Well, you have to tell me, because you were doing neither. It wasn't moving. It wasn't moving. Now you should be able to coast all the way down here. And don't ride the brake. What? 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 That's what I was telling you back there, and you kept telling me no. Correct. But that's what I was telling you, and you kept saying no. No. To the right. The other is dirt road. What does the one on the left say? What does it say? Right. No, we're going this way. Now just coast down here. And like I said, is it blocked off? No, hang on. I think they got the race going through here, right? Yeah, is it blocked off for the race? Okay. Yeah. Exactly. You probably want to walk yours, babe. Right. Yeah, that was tough to get through anyways. Just come on and coast down. Bump. Just coast. Quit putting your brakes on. Come on. Bumps. Slow up here. Yeah, just slow up here. How you doing? We can get around, right? I mean, as long as no one's coming. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Well, like I said, don't ride your brake and just coast it. Good. Just make sure no one's coming. Hang on. Ready? What? Yeah, you gotta watch for these big bumps sometimes. Oh! Yay! I didn't... I can go under the rope this time. I didn't realize that was the end. He let us do that just so he could laugh at us, that's all. Thanks. For this, we took the trail to the fishing pond. We should have stayed on the mountain bike trail. Right. It's a ways back. Right. It's 2:07. We got another hour. I'm on 3. I'm on 2 and 3. Okay. Much better than your other bike, huh? Yep, it's a world of difference. It makes a... Yep. It makes the bike ride more enjoyable this way. Well, we'll be going up and down. And again, when the pedaling gets too tough, downshift. Yep. Now that you're at the top, upshift and coast. It's not a big hill. And you'll start getting used to shifting up and shifting down a lot. See, I'm on 4. Now I'm dropping down to 3. Now I'm dropping down to 2. Now I'm dropping down to 1. Now I'm dropping down to 1 on my left side. No, you're fine. Don't pedal that hard when you're shifting gears. You're good. And you stay on there until you get to the top of the hill. When you shift in the middle and pedaling hard, you can bust the gear sprocket. Or if you're going to shift, you let off. You shift and then slowly pedal. You can't keep pedaling hard when you shift. One on your left? Yeah, see, I'm on 2 and 1.